When I arrived in the UK, I was very sick because I come freshly from torture, from beating. I couldn't walk. I was very sick.
She couldn't speak any English, or she spoke very little when she came to this college initially. So she's worked her way up, and she still, struggles on and battles on.
I couldn't speak any word, any English word. I couldn't speak to people about what has happened to me, and that's one is big problems, because I was looking out to explain what I have as problem. How can I do it?
I think other people in the class really respect Lutala. They love her. She's a well-loved person, and obviously the more she can communicate herself and be herself and be, and express whatever it is that's, that she's feeling, people come to love her.
And in my country, we don't have libraries. It's very special place. I can come to library, just sit there, take sometimes computers or books. I can take any book I like. Can I read it? No one comes to say to you, don't touch this is mine, don't do this, don't do that. This is a big opportunity for anyone to learn.
You deserve every success. You've had to work really hard. We all love you a lot. You know that, and we'll support you all the way. Well done, you. You deserve this award.
This is a special, it's amazing. I don't know the word I can say about this. It's very special. Well, I remember the first day they say it's big word. I just crying because I don't know.